Alright, in this video I'm going to show you how to share your ePortfolio with your entire class or with users that are both on and not on Blackboard. Now to get started, click on the Content and ePortfolios tab at the top, and then click on Jump to Portfolios, My Portfolios, and then you'll see a list of the portfolios that you've created. Now click the drop arrow next to the portfolio that you want to share and click Edit. And that'll bring you to a page where you can edit the style and all the properties about your portfolio, but also gives you the option to share your portfolio. So click that now. Now here you can see that I haven't shared this portfolio with anybody, but I can start sharing it with someone by clicking the drop arrow on this button, Share With. Now to share with a user, that would mean I'd be sharing the portfolio with someone that is on Blackboard, possibly another student or professor, anyone that has a Blackboard account. Sharing with an external user means that it's someone that is not on Blackboard, whether friends or family members or possibly an employer that wants to see the work that you've done. Sharing with a course means an entire class, all the professors in the class, and also all the students in the class. Sharing with all systems account is something else that we're not going to be talking about today. Now let's first look at Share with a user on Blackboard. So click on that, and you're brought to this page. Now first you need to add a username. Usernames are usually just the first and last name put together, so you can type that in there. Now you can notify them by email or just the default, which is notify them by a message on Blackboard. So click the email to send an email to them, and you can change the subject if you'd like to, or the message, and you can also send a copy of this message to yourself. Now notice back up here, you can add multiple usernames if you'd like to, just by putting a comma in between. And when you're done, you can go ahead and click Submit. And now we're brought back to this page, which shows all the users that we have shared our portfolio with. Now if we want to share with an external user, you can come up here and click External User, and now you're brought to this page. Now for this you need to know their email address. So you can type in their email address and change the subject or the message if you'd like to. And you need to leave this right here alone. This will be the actual URL of the portfolio. Blackboard will automatically put that in for you. Now here again you can send a copy of the message to yourself, and if you want to, you can use a password by clicking this box here and typing in a good password. And you could also include the password to them in the email, or you can choose not to use a password at all and just make it open for anyone. Now under expiration, you can have it so people can only view it for a certain period of time, and you can set that to whatever you like, or you can just have it no expiration, which is what I'm going to do today. And then you can go ahead and click Submit to send that email off to someone. And now you're brought back to this page, which now has added the email address of the other person that you've shared it with. So we have 3 people that we're sharing it with right now. Now for the last one, if you want to share with an entire course or class, come up here under Share With and click on Courses. Now for this you're going to need to know the course ID, or you can click Browse to search for it. Now here you can go up to the Search For box and type in this code right here. The first 2 numbers stand for the year, 11, which is 2011, and then the semester, which is we're in the spring semester, and then INTC, that's the course abbreviation for instructional technology, and then the course number, which is 3003, then the section number 01, and then T, which stands for traditional students, traditional classroom settings. Now click Search Field for Course ID, click for Search, and you find it right there, Applications of Technology. You can check there. Now scroll over and click Submit. That adds the code right there, and then you can click Submit to share now your ePortfolio with the entire classroom. So that's how you can share your ePortfolio with users on Blackboard, users that are not on Blackboard, and then entire classrooms on Blackboard.